Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super gorgeous greeting card idea for Women's Day, where I will share how to create this quilled beautiful woman along with her long dress which is made using net cloth. And of course I have decorated my card with my favorite quilling flowers. So I will share each and every step in detail to create such a elegant and wonderful card. And of course you can write the special message to your favorite woman of your life. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking white color cardstock and just drawing the sketch of the woman using my pencil. This is super duper easy. You can make it in a few minutes. Like this. So after creating the sketch, the measurements of my sketch is 10 by 4 centimeters. Now I am coloring my sketch using watercolors. You can also use acrylic colors. So for the skin I am using flesh tint, for dress I am using rose pink, and for hairs I am using dark brown color. Like this. Then it's time to decorate the border of the figure. So starting with the face, and here I'm using peach color 2 mm strip and start aligning it around the face area and just twist the strip according to the design using pointed tweezers. So the skin portion is done, and with the same method I am going to cover the hairs and dress. So this is done. Now it's time to fill the dress part using paper quilling designs. So here I have created small petals using pink color strips. For today's project I am using 2 mm strips only for creating the woman and also to create the flowers. So I have filled the straps here using small quilling designs. And now to fill the top of the dress, I am going to create the beehive technique. For this I am taking pink color 2 mm strip. Just make a coil, remove the tool, and after some gap again make a coil, remove the tool, again make a coil, and repeat this process till the end. So you will have this kind of beehive coil. Now adding glue, spread it nicely with brush and start filling this portion using quilling beehive pattern. Now To fill the hair part, I have already prepared some leaf shapes using brown 2 mm strip. So just add glue and start filling the pattern one by one. Then here I am taking black color strip, making the eyelashes. Also added the eyebrow, and with the same method I am going to add 2 small strips for the lips of the girl. And in this way our girl is completely ready. Now it's time to fussy cut this from the edge. So take any sharp scissor and cut this carefully. And the super gorgeous girl for our card is completely ready. She is looking absolutely pretty. Now here I am taking my white color cardstock base, which is 24 by 16 centimeters. I am just folding this from center, and on top of this I am decorating with this beautiful pattern paper by iCraft, but you can use any kind of pattern paper which is floral. And then exactly in the center I am sticking the woman cutout. Now I am showing you how to attach the net cloth dress. So here I am taking this net cloth which is 30 by 12 centimeters. Actually this is 30 by 24 centimeters. I have folded this in half. And now create small plates, and to stick the fabric, here I am using B7000 glue. But for the instant sticking you can also use glue gun. So create small plates and start adhering the dress pattern. Now to finish the dress, I am connecting this cute light green color bow which is made using clay. Here I am using contrast color and also adding small half cut pearl as the earring. And this is completely ready. Looking very pretty. Now I am showing you how to create the bouquet which the girl is holding. So to create the bouquet flower, here I am taking 1/8 strip of purple color in 2 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of tight teardrops. Now taking back my card, and here I have added some dark green color stems already for the bouquet. So now on the tip of the stems I am going to add these small teardrops to look it like a bouquet. And this is completely ready. Now I'm going to start with my quilling flowers. So to create my bigger flower, here I'm taking half strip of light pink color and 1/4 strip of dark pink color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping the petal using dark pink color strip, and the petal is ready. Now I'm joining total 7 petals together to create the flower. On the center of the flower, I am adding half cut pearl using B7000 glue, and the super cute flower is ready. With the same method, I have prepared 2 more small flowers which are made using 1/4 strip of pink and 1/8 strip of dark pink color. The process is same. Now here I have prepared 2 small filler flowers which are made using half strips in light purple color. Added 4 teardrop shapes together to create the flower, and also made some leaves using 1/4 strip of sap green color. Now taking back my card, and on the left corner I am going to decorate with handmade flowers. Like this. Then here I have handwritten the sentiment Happy Women's Day. So I am sticking it on the right side of the card. On the bottom of the white cardstock, I have added cardboard piece to give it a little dimension. And also sticking this cute bow which is made using the same net fabric on the bun. Now here and there randomly I am sticking some silver colored stones just to add little more shining to our card and to fill the remaining space. And this is completely done. This is shining very beautifully, and our gorgeous greeting card for Women's Day is ready. You can put it like this on the easel stand, so the dress will fall like a beautiful long gown, and you can gift it to your favorite person. And of course you can write the message inside the card. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.